a comparison video, Kajabi versus samcart. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting comparison lined up for you. It's Kajabi versus samcart, the battle of online business platforms. If you're into digital products, online courses, and e-commerce, you're in the right place. We're having the overview of Kajabi and samcart and diving deep into the features of both platforms, the course creation feature, their content delivery, their marketing tools, and the e-commerce functionality, the website builder, their native video hosting, their sales pipelines in terms of collaboration and team members, the pricing structures, customer support, and lastly, the conclusion to help you make an informed decision. But before we jump in, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell for your latest updates. Let's have an overview first of Kajabi and samcart. Kajabi is an all-in-one platform designed for creating, marketing, and selling online courses, memberships, and digital products. It offers a suite of tools to streamline the process from content creation to sales. Samcart, on the other hand, is an e-commerce platform primarily focused on optimizing the checkout process and increasing conversions for digital product sales. It specializes in providing a smooth and efficient checkout experience. Let's dive into the website of Kajabi. Upon your initial visit, you are greeted with a display showing the notable partners affiliated with Kajabi. Let's delve into the array of features and products they offer. Monetization options abound, allowing you to create online courses, coaching programs, podcasts, memberships, and communities, efficiently manage payments, contacts, and gain valuable business insights through analytics. Utilize Kajabi's comprehensive toolkit to build and expand your online presence, incorporating their website builder, pages, email marketing, funnels, and mobile app. Now let's explore the samcart website. Welcoming you with an appealing homepage, it encourages you to optimize your sales and enhance your conversions. Let's delve into the distinctive features samcart has to offer. Simplify your product selling process with the convenience of their express checkout, promising substantial benefits. Moving on to sales, samcart provides customers with versatile payment options. Seamlessly deliver your products by integrating with other tools for email, community, and more. Effectively manage payments, subscriptions, the affiliate center, and generated details reports for comprehensive business insights. Samcart is built for all types of creators. Let's tackle about the course creation. Kajabi excels in course creation, providing an intuitive visual editor that allows users to build and customize multimedia-rich courses effortlessly. The platform offers a range of features such as drip content, assessments, quizzes, and file hosting to enhance the learning experience. Samcart, originally a checkout software company, where it allows users to sell digital products, including online courses, but they have integrated a course creation app, which is the Courses app. However, its features in this regard are not as extensive as Kajabi's. In terms of content delivery, Kajabi provides advanced content delivery options, ensuring a seamless experience for course participants. Drip feed lessons, assessments, quizzes, and robust file hosting capabilities contribute to a dynamic and engaging learning environment. While samcart supports the delivery of digital products, its content delivery features are more basic compared to Kajabi, lacking some of the advanced functionalities specifically designed for online course management. For the marketing tools, Kajabi shines in the marketing department, offering built-in email marketing, automation sequences, landing page creation, and affiliate management features. This tools empowers users to create effective marketing campaigns and manage their online presence efficiently. samcart focuses on optimizing the checkout process but provides some basic marketing tools. It allows users to create order bumps and one-click upsells, contributing to increased average order value, but it doesn't offer the same comprehensive marketing suite as Kajabi. And the e-commerce functionality, Kajabi enables users to create and sell digital products, subscriptions, and memberships directly to the platform. It provides a robust e-commerce solution integrated with other features, making it a one-stop shop for online businesses. samcart is specifically tailored for e-commerce, specializing in optimizing the checkout experience. It supports one-time purchases, subscriptions, and payment plans, making it suitable for business focused on selling digital products. When in terms of the website builder, Kajabi's website builder offers a drag and drop editor, allowing users to create professional websites without any coding knowledge. This feature contributes to a visually appealing online presence for course creators and businesses. Stamcart does not emphasize website building as much as Kajabi. It provides custom page customization options, but users might need additional tools for building a complete website. As for the native video hosting, Kajabi includes native video hosting, giving users control over the viewing experience, engagement monitoring, and overall presentation of multimedia content. This is a powerful feature for those who rely on video content. On the other hand, samcart does not provide native video hosting as it is more focused on the checkout and e-commerce aspects. Users may need to host their videos on external platforms and embed them as needed. When it comes to sales pipelines, Kajabi equips users with tools for creating effective sales pipelines. Visualizing and optimizing sales processes become more accessible, aiding in tracking leads, conversions, and revenue. samcart supports one-click upsells and order bumps, contributing to effective sales strategies. However, it may not offer the same level of sophistication in sales pipeline management as Kajabi. For collaboration and team members aspect, Kajabi allows for unlimited team members, fostering collaboration and ensuring that the entire team can contribute to the success of online business. This flexibility is beneficial for larger enterprises. Details regarding collaboration and team member capabilities in samcart are relatively limited, and it may be more suitable for individual entrepreneurs or smaller teams. Let's talk about the pricing structures of these two platforms. Kajabi offers a transparent pricing structure with three plans, each devoid of transaction fees. Choosing higher tier plans not only unlocks advanced features, but also allows additional admin users, providing a scalable and customizable solution for growing business. On the other hand, samcart pricing structure comes with three plans. As you acquire the higher price of plan, it gives you more advanced features of samcart. Take your time in comparing this so you can make a wise decision on what platform you will choose. When it comes to customer support, Kajabi provides around-the-clock live support where you can engage with a real person to receive immediate assistance with your queries and problem solving. By joining the creator community, you can connect with fellow creators and experts well versed in Kajabi, offering valuable insights to aid in the growth of your online business. Kajabi extends its support further with live webinars and a comprehensive university, offering training across all aspects essential for your digital business. On the other hand, samcart offers also a support for both email and chat. It is also a knowledge base like Kajabi. In conclusion, both Kajabi and samcart serve distinct purposes in the online business ecosystem. Kajabi excels as an all-in-one platform for course creation, marketing, and sales, offering a comprehensive suite of tools for content creators and educators. On the other hand, samcart specializes in optimizing the e-commerce and checkout process, making it an excellent choice for business primarily focused on selling digital products. Choosing between Kajabi and samcart depends on the specific needs and priorities of the user. If robust course creation and marketing functionalities are paramount, Kajabi emerges as a powerful solution. But for those who prioritize a streamlined checkout experience and effective e-commerce tools, samcart provides a specialized platform. Thanks for tuning in to our channel. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more content. Feel free to share your thoughts or questions in the comments below.